my God.
Oh my god guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be solving this problem of addition of complex numbers. So let's begin. So guys, the most important thing that you have to remember when adding complex numbers is that every time you add two numbers, like for example, if you add 3 plus 3, you just add them, right? So 3 plus 3 is going to be 6, or 10 plus minus 7, it's going to be 10 minus 7, which is going to be 3. But when you're adding numbers that have i's or imaginary numbers, you're actually going to do the same thing. So 3i plus 3i is going to be 6i. So you're going to add the like terms, right? Everything that has I or everything that is imaginary, you can actually add it. So let's try solving the problem. So we have 7 plus 3i plus 6 minus I. So the first one is going to stay the same. And we have plus times 6 is going to be plus 6. Plus times minus I is going to be plus times minus is negative, and I. And now you're just going to add like terms. So 7 plus 6 is going to be 13, right? And 3i minus I is going to be plus 2i. So guys, what we did here is that we just added like terms. I with I and numbers with numbers. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. Bye bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow OhMathGod in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!